I would say that as a concept, rewilding is good because it's allowing nature to take back control. And as custodians of the land, we need to do everything we can to protect it and preserve it for future generations.
Green hills, fields, tractor ploughing with dust coming up through. Small brick villages, narrow roads, horse pit on the middle of the road, gravel built up on the middle of the road, nice hedges, lots of birds chirping, lots of animals being kept by stuff like that. Well, countryside doesn't have to be well-kept fields, does it? It's got, you're on the common now, just having all the colours of the flowers in the gorse, all that vibrant yellow against the green. That's what's pretty. It doesn't have to be kept. It doesn't have to be well kept, because in some ways it being unkempt and wild makes it prettier, because it's like its true form. No one's limiting the way it looks.
Some people fall in love with people's petals and not their roots. And then when autumn comes and they lose all their petals, they don't know what to do.
If you go further enough in the woods here, then there's bluebells and snowdrops. I think bluebells, snowdrops and wild garlic is my favourite because of the way it smells and the way it looks.
Yeah.
There's something about being close to nature in some form, whether it's countryside or coastal, and I think people really get something from it, and it sort of helps their soul.
Well, yeah, because I think we were never made to, like, we were never designed to be stuck in cities. We were built up environments where it's all dark and you've got concrete everywhere, and tarmac and no silence. We were intended, depending on your views. I'm not Christian. We began with the purpose of being in nature. That's how we started.